Shelly, let's go. ايش تبغى؟ Oh, you did. Hi, YouTube.
Yeah, hi YouTube. I see it's fun. 100 subscribers.
Thank you thank you for the plug, bro. Nah, bro, I'm good. Nah, man, I'm good. Stay in the hood. Hood protected. Oh yeah, we know.
Maybe hurry up, yalla.
Sama, if you click V and then WA, it works.
Gotcha.
DWA, BWA.
WWE.
The scientific study of biological inheritance is called.
What?
I'm reading from the book now. Ah, son, I see you. So, scientific study of biological inheritance is called genetics.
Which page are we on?
378.
So I didn't hear. So what page are we on?
378. Yeah, it's kind of good.
One more time.
378. Last son.
Okay. Hassan's voice is not that clear, so I got it. Son, you failed.
Fucking failure. Okay. During sexual reproduction, male and female reproductive part.
What did you just
cells-
say?
Cells join in a process known as fertilization to produce a new cell. So you got the egg, got the
Yeah.
sperm
Whoa. It's weird.
into the egg. Fertilization.
Yeah, that's easy.
Okay. Mendel's monastery garden had several stalks of pea plants. These plants were true breeding. This is the thing you're talking about, right, Fadi?
I think so, yeah.
Meaning that they were self-pollinating and produced offspring with traits identical to them. So true breeding, when you got a flower, beautiful flower, I know,
I know.
and then it creates offsprings from itself on its own. No other flower is helping, and
So
that's
wait,
called
what?
true breeding. So when a flower,
So basically, like self-pollinates.
yeah, self-pollinating, like
Okay.
fertilization, but on its own, not with a male and a
Yeah,
female.
yeah. I know. You
Because
have
a plant has,
self-pollination and cross-pollination.
yeah, plant has both a male and a
Yeah.
female part. So you
Yep.
just
Yep.
same plant, boom, you get true breeding. It is when a flower, because a flower has male and female parts, and the flower has like all of it. So when the male parts go into the female parts of the same flower, that's called true breeding because they self-pollinate.
Hassan al-Aks. Come on.
Yeah, you got one flower, you got another flower, they fuck. You have two different flowers.
Explain to him in human form. Human form is way easier.
So look, there's true breeding. That's cross pollination. You got mom, you got dad, they fuck. That's cross pollination. And then you got your mom on your own. She gets pregnant on her own somehow. That's true breeding.
Easy.
Okay. Uh, a trait is a specific characteristic like seed color or plant height. So a trait is a
Physical
characteristic of
Yeah.
anything.
Color, height,
Brown eyes, your height,
black skin.
black skin, that stuff. Yeah, and
Hybrid is also really easy. Hassan, do you know what's a hybrid? Sultan should know. He plays FIFA all the time. Sultan even here?
Got it.
He's playing Roblox.
Okay. Then we got cross pollination, which is when fucking Gregor Mendel.
Wait, what are we
So you
talking
got
about?
male part, you got a female part, right?
Yeah.
The guy, he removed the male part from one flower, and he used the pollen from the male part of another flower, and combined them.
That's cross?
That's cross pollen. That's
Yeah,
cross pollination.
Easy peasy.
And then the offspring of crosses between plants with different contrasting characteristics is called hybrid. So you got red plant, you got purple plant. They have a child. You got blue plant.
It's a hybrid.
That's hybrid.
This guy
Blue plant
must
is
have been
hybrid.
marra fadi.
This is the entire life. Imagine.
Huh?
Your entire life is mixing pea plants. Your life's work is pea plant.
What?
Hybrid is two different looking pea plants breeding each other. Next page.
I'm only human after all.
It's not gems. Try to read that again. There you go. There you go.
Good job, Hassan.
An individual's characteristics are determined by the factors that are passed down from one parental generation to the next. Today, we call these factors genes. Oh, the characteristics are genes.
Of course. What's the difference between genes and traits?
I'm trying to
I
figure
think-
that out right now.
Yeah, I think I'm going to get a bit confused between them.
Difference between gene and trait.
Yeah, we'll get to it.
Listen. That's what. A gene is a portion of DNA that determines a trait. A trait is a character. So a gene determines what the trait's going to be.
Okay.
That's like the difference. Okay. Next, we got alleles. The different form of a single gene are called alleles. So like a gene would be plant color.
Wait,
The allele would be green and like yellow.
I thought the plant color was a trait.
Yeah, gene. No, the specific one. That's the trait. The one that the plant has.
Okay.
I think this is kind of a little. It's all really related, so it's confusing a little. A gene is a specific. A allele is a specific gene. So like gene would be plant color. And then an allele would be yellow or green.
So what's the capital letter?
The
An
capital
allele?
and the lowercase are both alleles.
And what's the difference between them?
What they're each different. This one's green, this one's yellow.
Yeah, okay.
This
But
one's a dominant allele, which is the green one, and the
and
recessive, which is yellow.
Yeah, keep going.
When we do what's it called? When we do quizzes, I think we're gonna understand the difference between trait and genes
Yeah,
more.
I'm kind of. I'm
Like
getting a
right
lot
now,
of
it's
questions.
kind of I don't really get it either. Yeah. Okay.
ما
خلصنا. Okay. Mendel's second conclusion.
Wait,
is-
Quiz
yeah.
is giving me questions when he says crossed. So, for example, like a T plant, T double capital T is crossed with a short plant, small t. What does crossed mean? So just multiply them.
Had sex.
Ish? Oh, okay.
They combined. They crossed. They had fucking kids. You got your little box here.
Okay, so
This
it's
is what
crossed
that means. We'll
Okay,
we'll do we'll do it together after we finish,
100%.
and then we can just fuck off, do English.
Oh, English. I think I'm gonna play DVD. This is easy.
Just studying English on our own. I don't feel. I don't know how to explain fucking.
Hassan, you wanna play DVD? Tell me, you wanna play DVD with us?
Yeah, after I finish English. Yeah, yeah. Mana walk.
Here
Sinabi
we
na sabi
go.
don't want to play with you. No, it's too late. House. Okay, next. We got the principle of dominance. This principle states that some alleles are dominant and others are recessive. You guys know this, right?
Say it again.
The principle of dominance. Some alleles are dominant, others are recessive.
Yeah, of course.
Son? Okay, look. Example, we got capital T, lowercase t. Capital T is tall. Lowercase t is short, okay? Let's say the plant has both a tall allele and a short allele combined. The plant is going to be tall because the capital T is dominant. So it'll show up in the plant's like physical traits. You take the capital letter. Yeah, the capital is dominant. It'll show up always. If it's small, and then class is going to be short. No, smalls is recessive, not dominant. And then it's also going to be tall, because both traits are for tall. This is tall. This is tall. This is tall, short, and this is short. If there's ever a dominant one, in this case tall, it'll always be tall, because this one has tall and this one has tall. It'll be tall. This one doesn't have tall, so it'll be short. Yeah. Dominant, recessive. They're both homozygous.
Segregation.
Segregation. Okay. Segregation. Mendel didn't stop after crossing the parents' plants because he had another question. Had the recessive alleles simply disappeared, or were they still present in the new plants? To find out, he allowed all 7 kinds of F1 hybrids to self-pollinate. In effect, Mendel crossed F1 generation with itself to produce an F2 generation, as shown in figures 12.3. Explaining the F1 cross. This reappearance indicated at some point the allele for yellow pods had separated from the allele for green pods. Had the separation or segregation of alleles occur? So separation of alleles is segregation?
And obviously, you know what segregation means.
Yeah, separating. Mendel suggested that alleles for green pods and yellow pods in F1 must have segregated from each other during the formation of the reproductive cells or gametes. Did that suggestion make sense? No. I don't know. There's nothing. It means separation. During gamete formation, alleles for each gene segregate from each other so that each gamete carries only one allele for each gene. Oh, think I get it. So like, wait, so
Keep tapping it. Don't stand on it. Tapping it.
don't think so. No. I don't really get gametes and segregation that well. We'll see later.
What do you gametes or sex cells?
No, gametes.
Segregation.
No, gametes, sex cells. Okay, segregation is like separation.
Yeah, just and to separate the alleles. Very
Alleles.
easy. Alleles, whatever.
So like, when you separate it like this,
I guess so. Yeah.
this would be segregation.
Yeah. I
Okay.
guess so. I mean,
That's how I understood it, but I'm not sure if that's right.
we can ask him tomorrow.
Yeah, I guess. I'll ask him before the test. I'll explain the test in class. Uh. Oh yeah, you have Big Book Friday.
Yeah, I got the big book.
382. The figure.
Oh, what's this? Oh yeah, see?
You see how they separate? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. So basically, yeah, the table kind of. Yeah, and that's lesson 1. Done.
Easy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you, son. Son, you know what probability is? Probability is a likelihood that a particular event will occur. Probability is the chance that something's going to happen. That's what it means.
Is probability the same meaning as prominent?
No, probability is like chance.
And what's prominent?
We'll see later. Where's prominent?
I don't know. I just read it in quizzes.
I'll see it prominent. Probability is like chance. You flip a coin. What's the
Yeah,
odds it
I
lands
know.
on heads? 50%. That's probability. You get it?
Yeah. I got what the probability is.
Okay. Segregation and probability.
I'm
This
guessing.
one makes sense.
Genotype.
So look, you got two G1 offsprings. It's gonna be G and lowercase. G lowercase. You make the table for it. Get G
We're gonna be the
lowercase
same thing.
G lowercase. Yeah, this is probability, just explaining it for my son.
Okay.
Here's gonna be GG, so it's gonna be green. G and lowercase g, still gonna be green. G lowercase g also still green. And then lowercase, which is gonna be yellow. And each one has the same chance it'll happen, so each one's 25%. 5%. And if 3 of them are gonna be green, then it's 25 plus 25 plus 25. So 75% chance the offspring is gonna be green, and only one here, so 25% chance the offspring is gonna be yellow.
I just got a question. What's gonna be the probability? How do you measure the probability? And the answer was the something square. So
Yeah.
basically that's
Yeah, the Punnett square.
Punnett square.
To find the percent, you take 100 and then divide it by the number of boxes you have. So here's 4. So each box is going to be 25% chance. Do you make sense or no?
Yep.
And then the other one's like 16, so 100 divided by 16.
So if a dog gives birth to 5 puppies, the percentage of the chromosomes does each puppy share with the mother? 50%? Or
Probably
100?
50%, yeah.
50, sir.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
father
it's
and mother,
50. Yeah.
so 50. Okay. Now we got homozygous and heterozygous. Homozygous. We took homo and hetero. What homo means
Yeah,
same,
easy.
so that's going to be the same capital, same both capital or both lowercase. Heterozygous is going to be one capital, one lowercase. That's it. Exactly, yeah. Probably better predict averages. Also, is he gonna bring the 2-2-1-1? No, no, no.
I don't know. I hope not.
It's bullshit though. Either it's the same thing either way.
Yeah.
So now we got phenotype and genotype.
That's also easy.
Yeah. So let's say we have a plant that has green, yellow. Its phenotype is gonna be green because the plant's gonna be green. That's the physical trait. And the genotype is gonna be the genetic makeup is gonna be G and G. So like two different plants. One is both capital. One is one capital, one lowercase. Both of them is gonna have the same phenotype because they're both gonna be green, but they're gonna have different genotypes because this one is both capital and this one is one capital, one lowercase. Make sense? Okay. One of the best ways to predict outcomes of a genetic cross-dependent square. Punnett square uses mathematical probability to help predict genotype and phenotype combinations in genetic crosses. Okay, if it comes in the test, Punnett squares use mathematical probability to help predict the genotype and phenotype combinations in a genetic cross. Okay, this is where we start with two-factor crossing.
You could definitely tell that Hassan is paying attention right now.
Yeah, I can. How is you?
No, that's not me.
Oh, yeah.
Hassan, when you get 0 like the other tests, don't come complaining to us, bro. How much do you get in physics?
Hmm. Mendel's experiments results were very close to the 9-3-3-1 ratio that the Punnett square in figure 12.9 predicts. So Mr. said most of them are going to be. We'll test it out now, doing two different ones. If they're both 9-3-3-1, then we can just say على طول كده. يلا حسان.
So
know how to
how
do.
does it make you feel? You're explaining to Hassan while he's saying it in the group that he wants to jerk off to Fuad's feet.
Great, huh? Really paying attention, Hassan. Can't believe you, man. I can't believe you. You're supposed to not be eating your fucking phone. Yeah. I guess you didn't realize that one. Okay. You know how to do these?
Under the table.
You know how to do that without your notebook? I'm saying you do this.
That's it. Yalla.
And here's the other guy. Go on, son. Show us you're not joking off the fast feet and actually paying attention.
Oh man, it's gonna be a rough day for you tomorrow, son.
Honestly, it's not gonna take an hour to do this. Let me just do this. Yeah, I can tell. Yeah. No. Maybe you missed out. Yeah. Fortunate. So, what you do is you combine this one. They're all TG, but yeah. And then this one and this one. So yeah, they're all gonna be this. And this one is also gonna be lowercase. Yeah. So all the offsprings are just gonna be T. That's all of them. It's just gonna be like that. Just the same on all of them. So when the parent offspring, the pure one, is like this, all the offsprings will be the same. But then when we have offsprings like this, when our parents like this, there's gonna be the 9, 3, 3, 1 thing. Let me draw the table for it. 9 of them, instead of drawing the entire table, 9 of them are gonna be
Come on,
9 of them are gonna be
Osama.
T, I think. But no. 9 of them are gonna have one dominant of this, one dominant of this. So 9 of them are gonna be tall and green. 3 of them are gonna be tall and yellow. 3 of them are gonna be short, green, and then 1 of them is gonna be short and yellow. And then if you draw the graph and you do it with these ones, that's the one that's the thing you're gonna get. Mendel had discovered the principle of independent assortment. The principle of independent assortment states that genetic different traits can segregate independently during the formation of gametes. Independent assortment helps account for any genetic.
Are we done?
Yeah. I mean, it's one more thing, but basically, Mendel's
Oh.
principles of hereditary, observed through patterns of inheritance, form the basis of modern genetics. These principles of hereditary are as follows. Do I read all 4 of these?
Are you reading the independent assortment?
I'm reading a summary of Mendel's principles.
Where's that? Which page?
Last page, 388.
Oh, so you already read. What's it? Sorry, what's an
Let's skip
independent
over a
assortment?
page. I didn't. Independent assortment is. I just read the key. I didn't really get it though.
Principle of assortment states that genes for different traits can segregate. So basically, you can segregate.
Segregate, but for like 2 factors, the double,
I don't know.
maybe. Yeah, let's just do. Should I read the go next page? Should I read all 4 of these things or more lazim?
مش لازم.
This is summary, so we already have all this stuff.
You want to do quick quizzes?
يلا I'll share screen for it.
You know what?
Huh?
You know what should a Twitter should do? Anyone
What-
who tries to
What's the
ratio,
Twitter do?
anyone should who tries to ratio someone and fails should get banned.
That'd be funny.
That would be really funny. I don't want to celebrate my birthday anymore.
The guy's name? Rigor. Mendel. You missed everything. Yeah.
Son, you're gonna have to be the one answering most of these questions.
Look at this fucking picture.
Most of the questions we're gonna do right now.
Yalla, Hassan. Look at the screen. Yalla.
Hassan, first question, go.
Come on. You got this. Come on, Hassan. اشترى عمنا يا أخي.
Samuel, what quiz did you put? Alaska, 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 Alaska.
It's Austria, Hassan. You didn't study?
Maybe just the first question was bad.
Yeah, maybe just the first question. What happened to the green trait in Mendel's pea plants? Done.
Wait, do we actually have to memorize like his freaking things?
No, I don't.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Yeah, me this guy. What a no lifer. Yes.
And basic
Even Jay?
genetics.
Dumb.
Okay, son.
Yeah,
Easy.
son. Come on, all you.
One, two, three, or four. Don't read the entire question. You're wrong.
Come on, son. Come on.
You're also wrong.
حسان قاعد ترمي بس كذا. Quickly, timer.
You're so
You
smart.
got one of them wrong, bro.
Which choice? Do you want to do this one?
Sure. Which choice contains a group of traits from our class trait survey that also had very close to a 3-to-1 ratio?
Our class اشترينا حق class survey.
ايش عرفهم؟
Fuck the class survey.
Oh, some I was gonna say 4.
Oh, my bad, man.
Okay, I'll do
How
this
many
one again.
alleles do we inherit from each gene?
2. It's legit 2.
It's legit 2, dumbass. Allah.
يلا سما.
What did Mendel use to represent the factors passed on by parent to offspring?
I bet Hassan would not have known that.
Let's see this question. This is too long for Hassan, even if it's fucking easy.
يلا Hassan, go on.
Is that a guess, or do you know why it's 3-1?
Ado.
You're right. You're right.
Yeah.
Ado.
What's up, Sultan?
You guys finished? Wala la?
No,
Almost.
I guess we didn't even do it. We waited for you because we love you so much. Yalla, Fadi.
I'm still not back home yet. I'm just checking if you guys finished. Wala la?
When Gregor Mendel cross-fertilized pea
Hassan, you're
plants that
recording,
had
right?
purple flowers with the
No, he's
pea
not.
plants
I'll just
that
start it from
had
the recording.
that had white flowers, the white flower
Yes.
trait disappeared in the offspring. This is because the purple flower trait is
Come on, Fadi. You got the time. The time, Fadi. The time.
recessive over the white flower trait.
Dominant.
Dominant. I didn't read the question properly.
Did you not actually? Let's get that.
No, I actually didn't read it properly.
Okay. Heredity.
Yalla, Hassan, all you.
That's a good question, honestly. Okay,
Tell me, come on, Sama. Actually,
Yalla, Hassan, show us.
a timer.
Timer.
Light blue, light blue.
Man, Hassan, go. Timer's moving.
You
Oh,
didn't even read
wow.
the question.
Okay, I got this one.
Uh,
Redemption. Redemption. Allah
خلاص
Hassan.
Hassan do it. Let Hassan do it.
Choose which one you want. If you actually studied, then you would get this.
I remember this. I actually know this. See, because I actually studied.
Yeah, me too.
All right, D. يا حمار سامة.
My bad, Hassan. That's on me. Ian's read a blueprint for making.
Come on, Hassan. I see you.
Okay, Hassan, to be fair to you, this was not in the thing we studied.
Yeah, to be honest, I guess so too.
Yeah, Hassan. Actually, no, I'll do this. Why did Gregor Mendel use tea plants for his
It's
experiments on
definitely the
hereditary?
first one. It's definitely the first one.
Pea plants look very lovely in the garden and produce beautiful flowers. Pea plants have easily observable traits. Seems like this one.
And shit.
No, I think honestly they're easy to cook. That's why. Yeah, Fadi.
I bet. Different forms of a gene are called.
Allah,
Okay.
allies. Yeah.
Alleles.
Allies. Alleles.
Alleles.
Okay.
Go on, Hassan. You can do it. Hassan, you want to do this
You know
one?
this, right, Fadi?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
I see you, Hassan.
Okay, Hassan, you actually studied? You're quite the investigator.
So dumb, yeah.
An organism's genotype is. No.
No, it's feather color.
Yeah, Fadi, you're right.
Make-
Yeah, but what?
Makeup. God, see. Yep, every animal's gay.
Oh. Which word means to be masked or hidden?
What?
Hidden. Yeah. You just honestly you just guessed. Let's be honest. But you got it right. Yeah.
Why?
Allah. In the Pan Pea generation, Gregor Mendel cross-fertilized pea plants that had purple flowers with plants that were produced white flowers. In the F1 generation, all the plants produced purple flowers, but Mendel predicted that the white flowers were still present, hidden on the flowers. Mendel used the letter P to represent the factors that F1 generation pea plants had the flower color. Which term is used to describe the genotype PP?
Homozygous dominant.
Heterozygous mixture. No, heterozygous.
That's what I said.
Homozygous, dumbass. Well, son, choose the redemption. Which one do you want to do?
Come on. 1.
3. Oh. Okay,
Oh, yeah,
Hassan, we
Hassan.
just did this.
I see you, Hassan.
That's a complete guess.
Okay. Not that bad. See,
Okay.
do you think we really have to study English?
I'll study on my own.
Is it installed? Someone's doing another one, I see.
Son, you don't know shit. You should be doing this with me. Hello.
Definitely personality, bro.
What's your answer? لا بالله عليك. Yeah,
because you
that
can
makes it
see
right. That
his
makes it right.
cursor, man. He does the exam. He goes shouting at the mister before he corrects it.
The result for the trait being followed by the first generation offspring is only dominant shadow, right?
In the first generation, yeah. لا إله إلا الله.
Who's that?
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
No, don't say that. A trait that is hidden by the presence of a dominant trait is also known as.
Son, all you, bro. All
You
you.
got this. Toy. Time.
Time. Time. Recessive يا أهبل.
I feel sorry for you, man.
Okay, Hassan. Yeah, all you.
Good job, son. Good job.
Totally.
A blank is the physical appearance of an organism. Black hair, blue eye, widow's peak. No, that's not physical, bro. Physical is phenotype. The genotype is the genetical makeup.
Something is a trait, or a trait is a trait that prevents or masks the showing of another trait. Well, dominance.
I see, yeah.
God bless.
These are all pretty easy questions.
Yeah, Charlie comes like this in the exam tomorrow. Tomorrow's a test or a quiz?
Yes.
Oh boy.
A blank is a table. Oh, that's right. No, you didn't. Okay,
Come
son.
on, El Hassan, all you, man.
Who is Mendo? This is the first question we ever did. Where is he from? Crystallography. Hassan, time.
Damn, he was a monk too? What a loser! Monks are supposed to be cool. Hassan, what's a monk? Oh my god.
He got it.
Oh
He's right. He's
my
right. Alveolus.
Come on, Hassan. All you. Is it?
Oh yeah, good change answer. Yeah. Looks like you peaked. These jokes are so fucking bad.
Something or UNICEF?
Yeah, and
Danatomes.
Yalla, Hassan, come on.
Time.
Good dog. Good dog. Good dog.
Hey.
Okay.
Ooh.
Okay, son. I'll really help you here. Ella.
I wish I could do this in a test.
So which one? Okay, good dog. Good dog. Good dog. Why is there a car?
Genetics, an organism that carries both dominant and recessive allele for the same traits called an hybrid cross.
Yeah, he fucking knew it from the fucking cars.
God damn, man. I wish I knew more about cars. It's done. All you, man.
Oh my god, he guessed this wrong. Okay.
See, I don't even know if he's controlling.
I honestly don't either. I thought he was trolling for a second with fucking sunflowers.
Sunflower.
That was his answer, wasn't it? Let's see.
Sunflower.
In genetics, this refers to an organism that carries two dominant or two recessive alleles for a given trait.
So you know this one?
Do you think so? I mean, two of them are clearly not it,
Yeah.
and the other one we didn't.
Wait, what do you mean? It's obviously pedigree. Timer.
Another one. Purred, yeah.
Purred. Purred?
Purebred, habibi. What the fuck? We didn't get 0%.
What the hell?
We got the first.
We got 0 wrong.
Shitty test. So I think we're good.
Oh, we're good. Yeah.
Honestly, they're easy as fuck, and we just felt bad, so we gave them to you.
I really hope that Mr. freaking brings about Gregor Mendel.
An Australian monk. We're the only three that are gonna get that right.
That'll be hilarious. Just watching everyone just like go crazy about it, and then just there's us just laughing at them. So yeah, so I'm skipping this.
Fun. Look at this question. What's the answer?
Huh?
Look how much you what's answer this question.
Who is Gordon?
Yeah, I can stop recording.
Oh, we finished. You guys finished.
Yep.
We were